Welcome to the Module 14 Part 2 Calculator Guide. In this video I will show you how to calculate the confidence interval for a mean in one step. So we're going to start by hitting Stat, and we want to arrow over to Tests. And now we want to arrow down to to number 8. So 7 is a Z interval. We can't do that. We have to do a T interval, because we had to use the t table and t values because we're using the sample standard deviation. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. Now there are two options. If the problem presents you with statistics, if it says you found the mean is 25 and the standard deviation is 5 and you sampled 12 people, you can go ahead and put those stats in. However, if you have a problem like we did in the notes where we were presented with data, you can hit data. Make sure your data is already in a list. So my data is already in list 1 because I put it there in order to find the values for the notes. Keep this frequency as 1 and then plug in whatever the confidence level is that the problem has given you as a decimal. So you should see 90, 95, or 99. Okay, so now I'm going to hit calculate, and what this is going to do is it's going to go ahead and find the mean and the standard deviation as well as that t value. It's going to see that there are 16 values, and it's going to calculate everything I need to from my data set that I have in list 1. So my data has already been put in list 1. So we hit enter. And we see, first of all, we have a sample mean of 36.8 and a sample standard deviation of 2.9171, which is what we used. The lower value is 34.651, which does match what we found. And the higher value is 38.949. Do not worry that it only gave you 3 numbers past the decimal point. That is fine. You cannot change how many decimal values it gives you. Okay, so 3 decimals should be fine for anything you need to do, either that I give you or that the online homework gives you. All right, so here we have everything we need for steps 2, 3, and 4. So we still have to verify normality and we still have to write the conclusion, but otherwise the calculator has done all this work for us. So that is it for this video.